Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Just doing a quick video shoot here today of young Daniel on the little peewee, going for a little bike ride in the paddock. Got the drone up in the air and just trying to find him. I know he's entered the paddock somewhere. There he is. We've especially cut a new track for them to have a bit of a ride in, so we'll see how much fun they can have. This should be a great video we can all show to him on his 21st one day, eh? We'll have a look, we'll see where he goes. There he goes, enters the track now. That's our neighbour's property. There he goes. Well, he's down into the new track. Just staying away from him at this point in time, just to give him a bit of space. He's still getting used to the new track. But yeah, as you can see, we're still learning on how to fly this Phantom, and still learning on how to become a little bit better. That's all good. Time will show. Looks like he's having a bit of fun out there, taking some circles. Yeah, looking good. Picking up a bit of pace on the straight there. Had to put a bit of a corner in there for them to slow down a bit. Out into the open paddock, find the other entrance. There he goes. Looking good, Daniel. Doing really well. Oh, it's not really much of a video there, people, but gives you a bit of an idea what we can do. Need to show him one day when he's on a bigger motorbike, and we used to ride on little ones. No doubt he'd wanna have a look at that, and won't believe how small it is. Should master this truck in no time, I'd imagine. He's already getting really good at it. Hasn't come off yet on this track, so we'll see who wins the first of that to happen. Well, I hope everybody's enjoyed it. Hope you've enjoyed what we can do with our Phantom and our up and coming other drones. Hope you enjoyed the video. Young fella on a motorbike. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, click like. And if you want to, please subscribe to our channel and follow us if you can. Thanks guys and ladies, thanks for watching.